Hi, this is Theo from the UK, and I'm an editor of the Tactile Times newspaper, and I've helped create an accessible online advent calendar, which I've coded myself. So here we are on the page. We've got a countdown. So if I do a headings,
The Tactile Times with Advent Calendar and Countdown heading level
so
3.
countdown, and then let's arrow down.
Only 9 days, 9 hours, 19 minutes and 37 seconds.
You can see on the browser, but it's actually going live 32, 31, 30, but let's go past that.
Left to wait.
So now, let's say I want to get straight to the button for the first. So if I press the letter B,
First button.
you can see we're straight on the button. So press enter to open the door.
Enter table column 4 row 2. First button Thursday
Now
column 402 to
so now
activate
let's
press
do
enter.
the first heading 4 to get to the dates.
The Tactile Times heading level 1. No more headings at level 4 in this section.
It's somehow doing it by section, but it is there on the braille display. Jules was just saying the wrong thing. So
It is
here we
December.
are.
We will have a variety of different types of content in our Advent Calendar left parent, including Christmas music right parent. But for today here is quite a bad joke and a welcome audio message to go with it. Why was the snowman embarrassed when he was caught hunting through a bag of carrots? He was picking his nose. Blank. Click quote play quote below to hear a welcome message from Theo.
So let's click play. This
Audio
is a
start.
welcome
Play
message I
button.
did. Let's just hear the beginning.
Enter. Pause button to activate. Press
Hi
enter.
everyone, this is Theo, one of the editors of the Tactile Times, and I'm very pleased to welcome you all to the Tactile Times online accessible advent calendar for 2022. We have 24 days full of exciting content in store for you, but for today, here's quite a bad joke in both audio and text. So, why was the snowman embarrassed when he was caught hunting through a bag of carrots? He was picking his nose. I hope you enjoy the joke, and if you want to find out more about the Tactile Times or subscribe for free to get it sent to your email with all the latest news for young braillists, just go to tactiletimes.org. Thank you and have a happy Christmas! So that's the message for the first. So in every day there's a joke or an audio, or I've even got a choose your own adventure story on one day. So if we go to the next button.
Mute button. Show more media. Leftward 0 back button. Enter. Leftward 0 back button to activate. Press
so now
enter.
it goes at the first. So let's go to
First button. Second button. Enter. Table. Column 5. Row 2. Second button.
Yes,
Friday.
and so on. I mean, there were 15 of these which are open, so you can see how the door opens. And then you can read the text. And
Play button. Mute button. Show more. Leftward 0. Enter. Leftward 0 back button to activate.
And so there's a variety of ways to navigate. We can use headings. Also, the entire calendar is a table, so we can just use our table layer commands. So if I go first.
First button.
And then I do want to go to the second.
Friday. Second button. Column
then
5.
Then I want to go down one Friday.
Ninth button. Row 3.
So if I want to click on that, just press space.
Space. Table. Column 5. Row 3. Ninth button. Friday. Play button. Mute button. Show more. Leftward 0 back button. Enter. Left.
So if you'd like to have a look at this advent calendar now, just head to our website, tactiletimes.org, and then find one of the first headings on the page, and then click enter, because the heading itself is a link, or just go to the link list here on this page in Windows with JAWS, insert F7, and then click on the advent calendar link, or if you're on a phone or other device, just find the link under the video. Happy exploring!
0 back button.